Umentri rangba kajala konrad ke sangma hakasing thoding ulaplat batba yaki kali Health Polyclinic jongki shipai bala shongthait gibanai a yakajing shakri shatura yakni ki kali laplat batba hakajing yalang kebla penlong Rhino Training Center Shillong. Umentri rangba ulapan pa yakajing kersan nakaliang kasar kajala bat pins kemru yakajing kut jingmut hakaban ajing kersan yakinu kisin jam bala shim nakabenta kabha kamiat jongki shipai bala shongthait. Ukonrad ulapan benaru yakajing iarap song pisag basan lak tingka naka Chief Minister Special Grant halor kani kakam kababha jongki shipai bala shongthait.
This is a very, very important step, a small but important step. It's a message, I should say rather, of showing our gratitude and our thanksgiving to our armed forces for the contribution and the sacrifice that they make to protect each and every citizen of our country. And therefore, this is a very small step, but nonetheless a strong and a powerful message that we as a society and as a government and as a Chief Minister, we are there to always support you and be with you in every way that's possible. Meghalaya and Shillong specifically has always been a location where we have had a strong presence of the armed forces. We have seen a lot of collaboration now taking place between the civilians and the armed forces, and that's a very healthy trend. And this may be a very good occasion for me to stress on this aspect once again, that as we move along through proper discussion, through proper activities where we work with the civilians and with the society at large and the armed forces together, we'll be able to really build up a very good environment and a good communication among the communities out here. And that, I think, has been happening, and that is happening, of course, because of the leadership within the armed forces that we have. And I must take this opportunity to thank all our the leaders, the Air Marshal, the Lieutenant General, and others who have been very proactive in this area and have ensured that we are able to create the right environment. At the end of the day, it is the country and it is our society and all of us that is right in front. The country is right in front and at the top of our agenda, and therefore we all, as members of the armed forces as well as the society, must work together to keep that agenda at the top of our agendas for all of us. So with these few words, I once again congratulate all of you. I thank each and every stakeholder who has made this program a success, and let me reiterate that this is the beginning of a small step towards many other things we would like to do. And once again, as I said, I would like to contribute 5 lakhs from my side, from the Chief Minister's special grant, and also assure you of all the support from the Health Department for any kind of further services that you may require.
Hospital and they will agree. Logistic help also you provide.
Primary treatment here and also give the medicines for the monthly requirement. 1, 2, 3.
Just fit.